Today we're going to be installing Easy Wall. Easy Wall is the simple one-day renovation project. Each panel is made from pine and will add warmth and decor to any home. Before we start, let's go over the tools we'll be using today. You'll need a carpenter's square, saw, pencil, tape measure, caulking gun, adhesive, hammer or nail gun, chalk line, and a level. So to actually secure the panel to the wall, I'll be applying adhesive to the back of each panel like this. We're going to be starting the installation in the upper left-hand corner in this room. Each application and each installation is unique and different. In this case, what I've done is I've taken one of our panels and I've ripped a 2-inch molding to work around the cornice trim around the top. This is going to become our starting strip, and then we'll be working on the horizontal panels right away. Now that the trim's been secured in place, we're going to be starting to install the Easy Wall panels. When installing the panels, per the instructions, leave an 1/8 of an inch expansion gap along the side and the top and line it up against the chalk line to make sure you're level. Then add a nail every 6 inches, which will allow the adhesive to secure and hold the panel in place. As we continue along with the second row, you'll notice that the panels are in different lengths. In this case, we've taken a longer panel and we've actually cut out to work around the trim or a corner. And notice that the shiplap design allows for easy keying into the wall program, and your installation is as easy as that. As I step back, I can't believe how beautiful this product is. The different patina, when you stand back, it's absolutely stunning. It makes for a beautiful, easy wall. Well, we're on the last row. This is a simple finish up. All you need to do is measure the space between the two panels and cut the board and install as we've previously done. Well, it's the end of the day. As you can see, we've completed this project. It was simple and easy, and we've absolutely transformed this room. We hope that you'll find this video helpful and will answer all your questions, and we look forward to you transforming your home in the days ahead.